Along with being a versatile and powerful label design program, LabelRIGHT also includes simple tools that allow you to easily print batches of labels from data in an Excel worksheet using an add-in for Excel. This video will walk you through the process of enabling the add-in, setting up your label to connect to Excel, and printing from the add-in. The LabelRIGHT add-in was included when you installed LabelRIGHT, but before you can use it, you will need to enable it in Excel the first time through. Open Excel and go to the File menu. Select Options, and then Add-ins. Make sure Manage Excel Add-ins is selected and then click Go. Check the LabelRIGHT box and then click OK. To run the add-in, go to the Add-ins tab, select Worth Data, LabelRIGHT, and Print Labels. Next, you'll need to create a label design in LabelRIGHT that has the appropriate hooks or connections to let it talk to Excel. The sample we're using here is a simple UPCA label. If you haven't yet created a label, you'll find a tutorial for this particular label on the LabelRIGHT CD and on our YouTube page. To start, you'll need to mark each field that is importing data from Excel as data import allowed. You'll find the checkbox in question under the attributes for each field. A check here tells the program that the field is going to change from label to label and that it should look to an outside source like Excel for the individual label data. Note also that each field has a field number that indicates its order in the overall label design. This will become important later on, but for now, click OK to return to the design screen. For this tutorial, we're also going to be importing data into both the description and the price field, so we'll need to check the Data Import Allowed box for each of those fields as well. As we mentioned earlier, each field in LabelRIGHT is numbered, and when importing data, LabelRIGHT actually imports data from the lower number fields first. In the case of our sample, the barcode is field number 1, the description 2, and the price field number 3. The data being imported needs to be in the same order: barcode, then description, and then price in our case. Before you finish, make sure you have the correct form layout set and are printing to the correct printer. Once your import fields are marked as such and the template saved, you can move on to Excel. With your worksheet open, we start by running the add-in. Go to Add-ins, and then Worth Data, LabelRIGHT, and Print Labels. Next, select the template or label design you're going to be printing. The add-in will scan your label template looking for fields that have been marked as Data Import Allowed. Again, the fields are in order. In our case, we're going to start with the barcode field, or field number 1. Click the button to the right of field 1, and then select the barcode data to be exported. You can either click the field header or shift-click a range of data. Do the same for field 2, the description, And for field 3, the price. At this point, you can print by clicking the Print All button. By default, LabelRIGHT will print one copy of each record in your worksheet. An optional feature of the add-in allows you to specify a quantity of each label to be printed. The quantity needed for each individual must be entered into a new column of data in the worksheet. Start by clicking the button to the right of the Copies, and then selecting a range of data either by shift-clicking or clicking the column header. The add-in scans the new column in your worksheet and prints the specified number of labels for each record. When you're all done, click on Print All, and your print job is sent to the printer.